Ms. Ryan, do that.
For problem 27, we're going to be writing this number in scientific notation. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at the end of it and move it to make a number between 1 and 10. So we're moving our decimal place to make a number between 1 and 10, and that is going to be moving the decimal place to right here. Let's move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Since we moved it 18 spaces, that is what our 10 will be raised to. So our number is 1.032. That's our number between 1 and 10 times 10 to the 18th power. Now we're making a, for problem number 28, we're making a smaller number bigger. So I, again, need to move my decimals so I get a number between 1 and 10, and that would be moving it to after the 1. If you move that, you'll get 13 places. But since we're moving it to the right, that means our exponent needs to be a negative 13. So for this problem, our number between 1 and 10 is 1.234 times 10 to the negative 13th. For problem 29, we have two numbers written in scientific notation. What we're going to do is, since we're multiplying them, we'll multiply 3.86 times 2.2, and then our numbers are 10 to their powers. We will just end up adding their exponents. So 3.86 times 2.2 is, that gives us an answer of 8.492 times 10. 11 plus negative 7 is a positive 4. So that is that number simplified. For problem 30, we're doing the same process that we did for 29, but now we are just dividing our numbers first. So we have 7 divided by 1.4 times 10 to the 4th minus a negative 5, because we're dividing. So when we have exponents and we divide, we subtract.
3 times 15.
So 7 divided by 1.4 is 5, which is a number between 1 and 10, times 10 to the 9th power, because 4 minus negative 5 are 4 plus 5, because when we minus a negative, we add the opposite, gives us 5 times 10 to the 9th power. For problem 31, it is 3.7 times 10 to the negative 7th power. If we were to write this in standard form, we will take our decimal place and move it to the left 7 places because it's to a negative power. For 32, it's 5.02 times 10 to the 12th power, so we'll be moving it 12 spaces to the right to make it a bigger number.